Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11i, and today I'll show you how you can change your scroll effects on the home screen. So as you can see, currently I get this scroll effect, and if you want to change, click and hold home screen, move for settings, go for the transition effects, and pick that one that you want to set up. For example, I'm going for the cube, so click down, tap down on the right upper corner, and as you can see, our transition effect has changed. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.